So guys, once you're on this screen, you want to click on troubleshoot, and then you want to click on advanced options, and then you want to click on startup repair. Now it's going to diagnose your PC. Now if it says that it could not repair your PC, then you want to click on advanced options. Now we're going to click on troubleshoot, advanced options, and now once you're on this, we're going to type in bootrec space / fix mbr. Click on enter. Then we're going to type in bootrec space / fix boot. Click on enter again. Then we're going to type in bootrec space / scan os. Click on enter again. Now we're going to type in bootrec space / rebuild BSOD and click on enter again. And now you want to type in, for the last command, sfc space / scan now, and then click on enter. Then you want to run the scan. And now we're going to close this out, and then click on troubleshoot again, advanced options, startup settings, and then click on restart. And now once you're on this screen, you want to click on either 5 or F5 on your keyboard, which will then enable safe mode with networking. Now once you're on here, you want to head over to search again and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. Now once you're on this, you're going to type in dism space / online space / cleanup - image space / restore health and click on enter. Now you want to wait for this to load. We're going to head over to search again and type in CMD again. Then we're going to run it as administrator. Now once you're on this, we're going to type in chkdsk space /f space /r and click on enter. Now once this comes up, you want to type in Y and then click on enter again. And now you want to wait for this first scan to be completed, then you want to restart your computer, and then that should fix the problem.